Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to integrate Jenkins with Slack. This integration is very helpful for the teams so they are aware of all the deployment activities. Let's say that a deployment failed, so it can be notified within a Slack channel where all your developers are and your project manager so they are aware and they can fix it. This is very helpful for that, for those notifications. And as a DevOps team, we need to provide those integrations or those mechanisms for them to be aware of the results. So let's talk about the requirements. First, in Jenkins, I already installed this plugin, Slack notification plugin, which is required for connecting to Slack. Also, I have created this Slack account and this channel called DevOps. So the purpose of this is that when I execute a Jenkins job, it will publish a notification in this Slack channel. So for doing that, in Slack, we need to install an application to connect with Jenkins. So here, I'm going to search for Jenkins. I'm going to click on Add. It will pop out a new window where I need to add to Slack this plugin, and I need to choose the channel here. Let me exactly. Okay. I want to publish on a DevOps channel, so I'm going to click on Add Jenkins Ci Integration. Here it prompt for some instructions, but what I need to have is this, the team subdomain and also the integration token. Back on Jenkins, I already have a job created for this integration, which is this one. And here I'm going to click on configure, scroll down until the post bill actions. As you can see here, I've selected Slack notifications from the drop-down menu and also selected what notifications do I want to receive in the channel. But for configuring the channel itself, I'm going to set this workspace, which I got from this page, which is the team subdomain. Here in the workspace, I put the same. And also I have this token. This token will allow Jenkins to connect directly to Slack. So I'm going to add a new credential here using a secret text. I'm going to put the token here and here a name. Okay, I'm going to put Slack token 1 and I'm going to add it. Okay, it will use this credential. So I'm going to save it. And here on the integration, I can configure more things here, like the customized name. So I want to call DevOps team, and I'm going to save the settings. So now I'm going to execute this job, and it will connect to the Slack. As you can see here, I already have the Slack notifications or desktop notifications enabled. So it just finished. So go back to the Slack channel and I can see here that it prompts two notifications. One when the build start and one when the build finish with the status. In this case, it was a success. So this is very helpful as I mentioned, and you also can configure what kind of notifications you want to receive here. So if I don't want the notification when the build start and only if the notification is succeed or abort, so I can disable the rest and have this done. Okay, I'm going to build it again, and as you can see, is almost immediately. So here it's tell me that the build number 6 is success. And that's the purpose of this integration. One thing that I want to mention is that this integration was done on a job level, but also Slack can be configured on a global environment or a global Jenkins instance, so that every single job on your instance, on your Jenkins instance, will publish on the Slack channel. But I think that it's better to have a small or a better control per job. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.